Everyone, is Jaden here, and welcome to Q&A Thursday. All right. Today's question is, how do I record a presentation slides using free software? This lady wanted to make a special video for her, I think it was her mom's birthday, and she knows how to use uh, PowerPoint, but she didn't know how she could record it. Now, especially using free software. And this is the way I found. I mean, this might be a little cheesy, but it works. And so we're going to go through it. And if you don't have Camtasia and all that, you don't have to worry about that. Even if you don't have Microsoft Office, you can still do this. You can still make a presentation using free software. And so first of all, what you need to do, and I'm going to share my screen. Hey, before I do that, how about hit that like and share button? If you watch this video to the end, you'll know the free software you need to download to do presentations and plus more, and also to record your presentation plus more. It does more than just record presentations. Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen now. Okay, first of all, you need to go to Google and go to OpenOffice.org. OpenOffice is basically Microsoft Office. It does just about everything Microsoft Office does, and it's free. And I mean, just about everything. I love it. It's easy to use, and so you can go there and you can download it right there. I already have it on my computer, so I'm not doing it. The other software you need to do some video recording, to record your screen, if you want, it's just especially for recording your screen. If you want to do a video explaining things just about like this one, I'm using Zoom right now, but so because I'm showing you this, Camstudio.org, and go here. You can download it right here. I have it on my computer. I actually have not used Camstudio. I just put it back on my computer probably about 15 minutes ago to do this video. I haven't used it in a couple of years because I did get Camtasia, and that's what I use now. But you can use Camstudio, and it's great. So we're gonna get started. Since I have these on my computer, we want to open up OpenOffice, and we're gonna go to presentation. Just like I said, just like PowerPoint. And you can do an empty presentation from a template. You can read that. You can do a blue border, blue lines, whatever you want. Just blue and gray. Let's do blue and gray. Who knows? You can preview it. If you wait a minute, there it goes. Next, we'll go through all that. We'll just go ahead and create. Now, once you created, I'm not gonna go through how to use PowerPoint or OpenOffice presentation here. But OpenOffice Impress, that's what it's called. Just, go how to record slides. Like that. And we put step here. Alright, step 1. Alright, so that one's done. Let's go over here, and I want to duplicate that slide, so I can just go ahead and over here and read step 2. I keep typing different things, and we'll do step 3. Instead of keep typing things like that, I'm just going to duplicate them a couple of times so I can show you how to record it. And okay, so now that I got a few slides, I want to show you how to record it. First of all, from here to OpenOffice, you go up here to your first slide. That's not my first one. Up here to your first slide, and you click there. Let me go back. If you put your cursor over it, it'll say Start Slideshow right there. So you click on that, and you've got a full screen here. So you need to go open up Camtasia. Camstudio. Excuse me. Camstudio is the free one. You have to open it up. So on your keyboard, click on your Windows button. Yes, just like Windows. and then go to Camstudio, which is right here at the top for me. It opens up, you click record, and you'll see that you need to make it as big as your slide. Once you do that, it's recording. You can minimize that, and you can start narrating over your slides. Okay, step one, make sure you download OpenOffice from openoffice.org. Step two, click it. Make sure you go to camstudio.org and download Camstudio. Step three, make your slides. Open up OpenOffice and go to presentation and start making your slides. Step four, start a slideshow. Step five, um, hit your Windows button and open up Camstudio. Step six, make sure that you resize the screen to fit your slides. Step seven, narrate over your slides. And then you get to the last slide, you'll click again just for it to end the presentation. Then you got to bring Camstudio back up to right click it, and not there, over here, I'm sorry. Right click it over here at the arrow, just got, and stop it. Once you stop, you'll have to save it. And get the asterisk and save it as how to record slides. You'll save it, and up here you will see that it is saving your video. Now, I'm not sure if this will play while I got Zoom playing. I did this without Zoom earlier just to practice and make sure it does work, because like I said, I haven't used Camstudio in a long time, and I wanted to make sure that you could hear the voice and everything, and it worked great. But I don't know, with Zoom using the microphone also to record, I don't know if it worked with that. I don't know if you get my drift, but it does work, and you can try it out, and use Camstudio for other videos that you want to make. And let's see, I haven't went through the options. I can go through the options, and it's mainly just to really just record your screen and whatever's on there with of course you narrating. So I hope that helps, and if you have any questions, just leave them below, and if it's something totally different than what this video has here, just hit me up, and maybe I'll do it on a Q&A Thursday again. Another Q&A Thursday. I'm getting tongue-tied today for some reason. I don't know why, but, start these Q&A Thursdays because I get questions, and I like to point people to the video. Somebody has a question, then more than one person has that same question. And no questions are stupid, no questions are dumb. So you just, I ask questions every day, and it's good to get put into a video because you can save that video in case you didn't catch it all at one time. You can go back, you can pause it, and just go step by step. So that's why I like it, and being in the online business world myself, it's just great to really have people, I should have stopped sharing my screen, have people that will answer questions like that with videos. And it's just, if you check out my channel, I have a little bit of everything on there because that's what I do. My online business is my priority. I work online business, but my health is another priority. So I kind of share what I've learned about getting healthy and working out and all that. I share that also. Any kind of questions I get, I try to go ahead and answer with a video. So I hope this helps you, and I hope I see you on the next video. Until next time, I'm Jaden. Okay, I just finished a video on how to record the presentation with free software, and I didn't even try the video to see if it would work live, but the video does work, and I just got through with it. And let me share my screen so you can see it. Okay, let me out here. It was here. Here it is.
Once you do that, it's recording.
And you can see where I was sharing the screen, and that's me in the corner. And that's, I don't know if you can hear it. But anyway, it is recording, and it did great. And I just wanted to put that on the end here so you know that it does work. So we'll stop sharing my screen here. So anyway, I'm going to put this in there, and hopefully this helps you. So until next time, Jaden Davis. Thanks.